Green tea retains the tea polyphenols, catechins, chlorophyll, caffeine, amino acids, vitamins, and other nutrients in the fresh leaves. Instant black tea powder is suitable for the application of tea beverage, iced tea, pure tea, fruit tea, milk tea as basic raw material or as food additive for cake, candy, and chocolate. Matcha, also called matcha green tea, is made from shade-grown green tea leaves. The plants used for matcha is botanically called Camellia sinensis. Taro powder well preserves the flavor, taste, and nutrition of taro, so the milky tea, cold drinks, moon cake filling, baked food, extruded and puffed food, and so on.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.